Hello, good day. How are you today? You good, right? Okay, so today we are going to be learning elementary science, and our topic is exploring the five senses. We are going to be talking about the five senses. Okay, are we ready? We're ready to know about the five senses, right? They are common, we know them, but we're still going to talk about them, okay? First of all, let's know the meaning of senses. Senses means how we use our special body parts to learn about the world around us. We have five senses, and we're going to be talking about how we use them, okay? The first sense we have is sight. Sight is what we use to see, right? We use our eyes to look at colors, shapes, people, and everything around us. Eyes help us understand what things look like. Our eyes help us to see things like our colorful toys and beautiful flowers. So we have the sense of eyes, and our eyes are used for seeing the world, knowing colors, shapes. Without our eyes, we won't see, right? If you close your eyes, will you be able to see anything? No. But if we open our eyes, we'll see beautiful people, we'll see our toys, we are going to see colors, shapes, we're going to see mommy and daddy, and so on. That is one sense, okay? Then we have smell. The sense of smell. Smell is what we use to notice different scents in the air. We use our nose to smell things like flowers, food, and all kinds of smells. The nose helps us understand what things smell like. So our nose helps us to perceive yummy things, pizza, ice cream, flowers. It helps us to understand things that are around us by sniffing in them, perceiving them. Okay? So we have the sense of eyes, which help us to see, and we have the sense of nose that helps us to perceive and inhale beautifully. We use our nose to breathe in and breathe out, right? If you close your nose, will you be able to breathe? No. And how are you going to survive if you are not able to breathe? So our nose is very important because we use it to breathe in and breathe out. And also use it to perceive flowers, foods, and all kinds of smell. So we have talked about two senses. We have the sense of sight, which is the eyes, and the sense of smell, which is the nose. Okay? So we have the sense of taste. Taste is what we use to know if something is yummy or yucky. We use our tongue to taste different flavors like sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The tongue helps us understand what things taste like. So we use our tongue to taste if a food is sweet or bitter. Okay? What do you use your tongue for? To taste if this food or the sweet is sweet or bitter. If you drink orange juice, you taste it with your tongue to know if it's sweet or bitter. If you drink lime juice, you taste it and know if it's sweet and bitter. And I'm sure lime juice is bitter, right? It is sour. It is not sweet. So we use our tongue to taste food, if it's sweet or bitter. So the tongue is a sense of taste. Okay, we have mentioned three. We said sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of taste. Remember, we have five senses and we have mentioned three senses. So our next sense is the sense of touch. The sense of touch. Touch is what we use to feel things. We use our skin to touch and feel things that are hard, soft, hot, cold, and more. Skin helps us understand what things feel like. So our touch is our skin. If someone touches us, we'll know, right? Our skin will feel it. If there is cold, we are going to feel it on our skin. If the weather is hot, we are going to feel it on our skin. And if somewhere is hard or soft, we are still going to feel it on our skin. So our skin is one of the senses, the sense of touch. It helps us to feel cold, feel hot, feel hard, feel soft. Okay? If someone pinches you, your skin will know that somebody pinched you. If someone slapped you, your skin will know that someone slapped you. So that is sense of touch. Sense of touch is our skin, okay? We have talked about four senses: the sense of sight, which is our eyes, the sense of smell, which is our nose, the sense of taste, which is our tongue, the sense of touch, which is our skin. So we are going to be looking at the fifth sense, okay? The fifth sense, we have the sense of hearing. The sense of hearing. Hearing is what we use to listen and hear sounds. We use our ears to hear music, people talking, and all the sounds in the world. Ears help us understand what things sounds like. So we use our ear to hear. We use our ear to hear music when people are talking. Like now, you are using your ear to listen to me as I'm talking. We use our ear to listen to different sounds. If you go outside to explore nature, you'll be hearing different sounds. So we use our ear to hear all those sounds, right? If you block your ear, will you be able to hear? No. So the ear is very important in the body because we use it to hear. We use it to hear when mommy and daddy is talking to us. When our brothers and sisters are talking to us, we use our ear to hear. So we mentioned five senses. We mentioned five senses. The first sense we mention is the sense of sight, which is our eyes. The second sense we mentioned is the sense of smell, which is our nose. And the third sense we mention is the sense of taste, which is our tongue, right? And the fourth sense we mentioned is the sense of touch, which is our skin. And the fifth sense we mentioned is the sense of hearing, and it's our ear. We use our ear to hear. So we understand the five senses, right? Remember, senses are our special body parts that we use to learn about the world around us. We use our eyes to see the world. We use our nose to inhale nature, to breathe. We use our tongue to taste if something is sweet or sour. We use our skin to feel the breeze on our body if someone touches us. If we go to explore nature, how the breeze will be blowing on our body is our skin. And we use our ear to hear the different sounds. So these are the 5 senses, okay? Good. I hope you understood this. So we are going to do our assignments, okay? Number 1, the sense of sight is used to dash. It's A, eat. B, see. What is the sense of sight used for? We talked about that. 2, the sense of hearing is used to dash. A, eat. B, hearing. C, seeing. Number 2, the sense of hearing is used for dash. A, eat. B, hearing. C, seeing. Which is the answer? 3, the sense of taste is used to dash. A, eat. B, see. And number 4, the sense of smell is used to dash. You have to tell me the answer. Okay? Good. We learned about the 5 senses today, and I hope we understood this lesson. Okay? Good.